What spotlights? What are you talking about?
They just shine their lights down.
On the ground?
Yes. Watch.
That's like a drone. Some kind of badass drone. It doesn't even sound like a quadcopter because they make a distinct sound. They shine something down?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really bright?
Yeah.
How crazy is that?
It's not even showing up right now. There it is.
You're zoomed in too far, brother.
No, I started new.
Look there, look at this.
I'm looking at you.
Hello. They could shoot us from here. That would be scary. What is that? That's not a helicopter, Brittany.
Okay, this is the third time it circled our
Sounds
house.
like it's dropping